Just Desserts. My name is Renee Smith.
And I'm Jaime Hendricks.
And today we're going to play another math game called Tic-Tac-Sum. S-U-M.
Sum meaning
Sum
math.
meaning, an addition
Okay.
problem. Absolutely. An answer to an addition problem. And what we're going to be practicing on, again, today is addition with your younger kids. But it's also kind of a strategic game because tic-tac-toe can be strategic. And we're going to be practicing knowing our even and odd numbers. Okay? So I'm going to take the even numbers, 2, 4, 6, and 8. You're going to take the odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, and 7. And we're going to place those like we would the X's and O's in tic-tac-toe and try to make a sum or answer to an addition problem of 15. So we're going to either have 3 in a row that are horizontal, vertical, or diagonal, but we're trying to make a sum of 15 first. So if I were to go first with my even numbers and I wanted to put 8 there, I've used the 8, so I can't use it again. Now it's your turn.
And I can't use your numbers.
You can use my numbers if you are building upon to try to find a sum of 15. You could use my 8 in one of your rows. So that gives me a...
Oh, I need to cross off my 3.
I'll cross it off for you. So you have 8 and 3 makes 11.
Oh, man.
So I'm going to put 4, and I've
you've
got
got
15
15
already. Want to try again?
Yes, that wasn't very strategic on my part.
Well, you never know. Let's try again. I'll let you go first. And you're again going to use your 1, 3, 5, and 7. And I'm going to use 2, 4, 6, and 8. You used your 7.
Sideways, but I did.
Okay, so if I use...
I think you should use your 8.
You think I should use my 8? Well, then you wouldn't be able to get 15 using that.
Well, no, you're right.
You don't have a 0, so, okay, how about if I put...
2.
How about if I put 2 here, which means now our total in this row is 9. Which means with your numbers, you could only get 14. So that was kind of strategic, but be careful because can I get 15 if you leave that blank? Ooh, could I get 15 if that's left blank?
Yes.
I could. So you better put something in that blank that will block me. Okay, so now that blew that row for me. So I don't want to put 8 in this column, and I sure don't want to put it in this column, because if I put an 8 in this column, the sum would be 10 right now, and then you could use your 5. So I don't want to do that. But I think I'll put my 8 here. Oh, that was a mistake.
I think that's a good idea.
That was a mistake. Oh, I don't want to do that. I can't put my 8. I don't like that. No. Okay. I don't like 8 anymore. Okay, so I'm going to do... Darn, this is hard. I'm going to put my 6 right here.
Oh, man.
Sorry.
Okay.
I thought quickly enough that I took the 8 back. Probably wasn't legal because I started to write it. I should think first.
But you didn't pick up your pen.
I didn't pick up my pen, so thank you.
So it's okay.
Okay. It's hard.
Yeah.
Good mental math here, but it's strategic because we're having to really think about blocking the other guy's moves as well as making our own.
And I only have 2 numbers left.
I know.
So it doesn't leave me a lot of options here. If I put... That would be okay. I think.
Yeah, this may end up being a cat's game because we're really thinking about it hard, because that would have been 16, so that's too much. This is 5 right now, and I don't have a 10, obviously. And that's 8, and I would need your 7, so I can't do that. We may have given away... Oh, except I still have that 8 that you could win with.
I love that 8.
I don't like that 8 anymore. And my 4 isn't good either. This may have to be a cat's game. I'm going to put the 4 there.
And I only have left is my 5. I can win, huh?
I don't know.
7 and 5.
Doesn't give you 15.
Nope. But 8 and 5.
Wouldn't give you 15 either.
6 and 5.
No,
I can't win.
I don't think you can.
You think I can?
I don't think you can. I promise. But I think you better be careful where you put your number.
Not happening.
Just put it somewhere. In the suspense. There went your 5. And I'm going to put my 8 right there. 8 and 4 is 12 and 3 is 15. Thank you for not putting it in that spot. But do you see how strategic that is? It's a little bit more difficult than X's and O's in tic-tac-toe because you really have to think about adding to 15 and using the other guy's number or blocking the other guy's number.
Or not blocking the other guys.
You'll beat me next time, I promise. Thanks for joining us again on Just Desserts.
For more information, visit mykidstturn.com.